Hello students, welcome to social science class. We are doing chapter 11, the Iron Age civilization. In this chapter we have read how early men developed themselves. They started using iron and iron gave them so many occupations. In this period they started living in cities or villages, and these cities and villages are the main center of the trade. Literature work was also flourished in this period. So now we are going to read about the different civilizations of Iron Age. आयरन एज के टाइम पर जो अलग अलग सिविलाइजेशन डेवलप हुई उनका एक कंपैरिजन, उनकी एक कंपैरेटिव स्टडी हम यहाँ पर करने लगे हैं. ओके, सो स्टार्ट विद मी. हियर इज फर्स्ट ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन, देन रोमन सिविलाइजेशन, देन इरानियन सिविलाइजेशन. Greek civilization, what type of religion they followed? They worshipped many gods and goddesses. Supreme god Zeus. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट गॉड्स और गॉडेसेस को वो वर्शिप कर रहे थे, और उनका सुप्रीम गॉड, सबसे बड़ा गॉड जिसको वो मानते थे, दैट इज जियस. रोमन पीपल वर्शिप्ड गॉडेसेस वेस्टा, वीनस एंड गॉड्स जुपिटर, मार्स, Mercury and Juno. These are the names of their gods. Iranian civilization. They worshipped gods Indra, Vayu, Mitra, fire and Zoroastrianism. The names are the same as we worshipped our gods. हमारे gods के name भी इंद्र, वायु, fire ये सब हैं. तो there is a similarity, a little bit similarity between आर गॉड्स एंड देयर गॉड्स. तो इरानियन सिविलाइजेशन में दे वर्शिप्ड इंद्र, वायु, मित्र, फायर एंड ज़ोरास्ट्रियनिज्म. नेक्स्ट इज ऑक्यूपेशन. दे followed things, so many other occupations, and the main occupations are agriculture, farming. That was the main occupation of all the ages, of all the people of different civilizations. Agriculture, shipbuilding, ship banana so that they can move through water. Trading, business work to sell their things, that is trading. Sculpting, sculpting means statues banana. Pottery, pots making thing. Okay, so these are the Greek civilization. Agriculture, जो occupations थे उसमें agriculture, shipbuilding, trading, sculpting and pottery. farming करते थे वो लोग, ships बनाते थे, trade work करते थे, statues बनाते थे और pottery work करते थे. Now Roman civilization, they did agriculture, trading and fighting. They were warriors. Fighting means कि हर वक्त fight नहीं करना. They were warriors. They like to fight. वो अपने एरिया को, अपने किंगडम को एक्सपैंड करने के लिए फाइटिंग करते थे, वॉर्स करते थे. ओके. Iranian civilization, their occupation was trading, shipbuilding, craft, silk weaving, pottery, metal work, gem cutting. They were also traders. वो बिजनेस कर रहे थे, वो ट्रेडिंग कर रहे थे. एंड शिप बिल्डिंग, राइट, एंड क्राफ्ट, सिल्क वीविंग, सिल्क के कपड़े बनाना, वीविंग करना सिल्क की. पोट्री मेकिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर ऑक्यूपेशन. मेटल वर्क टू मेक स्टैचूज और ऑर्नामेंट्स by metal. and gems cutting. gem मतलब जो different stones होते हैं, precious stones, those were known as gems. So these are the occupations of Iranian civilization, Roman civilization and Greek civilization. Now inventions, what they invented. Greeks invented calculated the circumference of the earth. अर्थ का सर्कमफेरेंस उन्होंने कैलकुलेट किया. ड्रू मैप्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, पूरे वर्ल्ड के मैप बनाए. एंड ओलंपिक गेम्स. हैव यू ever heard about Olympic Games? So Olympic Games were started in Greek. ग्रीक में ओलंपिक गेम्स स्टार्ट हुई थी. So what were the inventions of Greek civilization? They calculated the circumference of earth. अर्थ का circumference उन्होंने कैलकुलेट किया. मैप्स ड्रॉ किए वर्ल्ड के. एंड दे स्टार्टेड ओलंपिक गेम्स. Now Roman civilization, concrete, water system, roads, Latin names of months, Roman laws. Concrete means hard things. जो हम houses बनाते हैं, they are also made up of concrete. ठीक है, तो concrete उन्होंने develop किया, invent किया. Water system invent किया. They invented roads and Latin name of months, and they invented Roman laws. Iranian civilization. They invented Aramaic script, that is the script of writing of Iranian people, and decoration of places with gold. Gold is a metal, it is a precious metal, and they started decorating their palaces with gold. Silver, precious stones, ebony and ivory. Silver is also a metal. Precious stones means diamond and other gems. Ebony is a type of a tree. The wood of that tree is used for making furniture. And ivory means elephant tusk, हाथी के दांत जो होते हैं. ठीक है, सो उन्होंने अपने पैलेसेस को डेकोरेट करना स्टार्ट किया गोल्ड से, सिल्वर से, स्टोन्स से, इबोनी की वुड से एंड इवोरीज हाथी दांत से. ठीक है, ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट द डिफरेंट civilization that we found in different parts of the world. Now in India we have the Vedic civilization. So let's start reading that Vedic civilization. Ved means knowledge. What is the meaning of Ved? The word Ved means knowledge. And the knowledge contained in Vedas is for the whole mankind, for the whole world, not only for Indians, but it is for the whole or entire world. Okay. Ved means knowledge, and Ved जो है that are for whole world. The knowledge contained in the Vedas are for whole world. Because of the term Ved, this period of Indian history is called the Vedic period, as Vedas are main source of information about this period. As I have discussed before, that when people started using copper, that period is known as Copper Age. When they started using iron, that period is known as Iron Age. Because we get the tools or sculptures that were made by those people, वो सब आयरन के या कॉपर के बने थे. तो दैट्स वाई वी called that period Iron Age or Copper Age or Bronze Age. Okay. Now in our country that age is known as Vedic age or Vedic civilization, because the information about that time we get from the Vedas only. हमें जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है उस टाइम पीरियड की, आयरन एज टाइम पीरियड की, वो हमें वेद से मिलती है. और दिस इज़ द मेन रीज़न दैट वी कॉल दैट पीरियड वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन. मेनली देयर आर 4 वेदास: ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, यजुर्वेद एंड अथर्ववेद. What are the names of 4 Vedas? Rig Ved, Samaved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. These are the 4 Vedas. The Vedic period can be divided into early Vedic and later Vedic. Early Vedic means पहले वाला वैदिक पीरियड एंड लेटर वैदिक जो उसके बाद हुआ. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वन इज अर्ली वैदिक एंड लेटर वैदिक, जो अर्ली वैदिक के बाद डेवलपमेंट्स हुई, बाद चेंजेस आए, दैट इज लेटर वैदिक. अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड इज ऑल्सो रेफर्ड एज ऋग वैदिक पीरियड, as the Rig Ved provide us information about this period. From where we get the knowledge of early Vedic period? From Rig Ved. Very good. हम अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड की नॉलेज कहाँ से गेन कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से हमें मिल रही है? द मेन सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड इज गिवन बाय द ऋग वेद. ठीक है, ऋग्वेद में सब कुछ लिखा है उन लोगों के बारे में. सो दैट पीरियड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ऋग वैदिक पीरियड. द रेस्ट ऑफ द वैदिक लिटरेचर, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद, ब्रह्मांस, आर्यंकास, उपनिषद प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द लेटर वैदिक पीरियड एंड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एपिक एज. अब जो अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड है उसकी नॉलेज हमें ऋग्वेद से मिलती है एंड अदर बुक्स दैट आर यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद, ब्रह्मांस, आर्यंकास एंड उपनिषद, ये सब हमें लेटर वैदिक पीरियड की इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. एंड लेटर वैदिक पीरियड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एपिक एज. What do we call the later Vedic period? Epic age. ऋग वेद is the oldest Ved, सबसे पुराना वेद है and it was composed about 3500 years ago. ऋग वेद 3005 years ago लिखा गया and it includes more than 1000 hymns known as suktas, which means well said. ठीक है, 1000 इनके पास हाइम्स हैं जिसको सूक्त कहा जाता है, और सूक्त का मतलब है वेल सेड, यानी कि बहुत अच्छे से कहा गया, बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ बोली गई है. Those who composed hymns called themselves Aryan and their opponents as Das and Dasyus. The people those wrote those suktas are known as Aryans. जिन्होंने वो सूक्त लिखे उन्हें आर्यंस कहा जाता है और उनके ओपोनेंट्स को दास या दस्यु कहा जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द अर्ली एज ऑफ वैदिक पीरियड. हाउ वैदिक पीरियड कॉल्ड वैदिक पीरियड? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वेदास. ठीक है, because we get information regarding Vedic period from the Vedas. And how many Vedas are there? There are 4 Vedas: Rig Ved, Samved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. Clear? And there are so many other Vedic literature from where we get the information of later Vedic period. Those were Brahmanas, Arankyas, Upanishad. And later Vedic period is also known as epic age. In our next video we will discuss the political condition and social condition of that time period. So that's it for today's video. In this video we have compared different civilizations of the world and we get introduction of Vedic civilization. So that's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.